Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best bathroom small cabinet is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of furniture you can add to your bathroom, especially when space is at a premium. These compact yet surprisingly spacious units are designed to maximize vertical space, offering a stylish and organized solution for storing everything from toiletries and cleaning supplies to towels and decorative items. Imagine reclaiming your countertop space and finally having a designated spot for all those essentials that tend to clutter up your bathroom, all while enhancing the overall aesthetic of your sanctuary. Number 5. Delamu 2-tier under-sink organizers, 2-pack. Discover a smarter way to organize your home. These versatile organizers fit perfectly under sinks, in cabinets, or pantries, transforming cluttered spaces into tidy areas. Featuring smooth pull-out drawers and adjustable dividers, accessing your items has never been easier. Customize the spacing to perfectly fit everything from toiletries to kitchen essentials. Crafted from high-quality acrylic and durable aluminum alloy, these organizers offer a clear view of your belongings. Find what you need in an instant, saving you time and frustration. Need more storage? Simply stack up to 3 units to create a vertical storage solution. It's the perfect space-saving assistant for any room in your house. Designed for stability, these organizers include non-slip silicone stoppers to keep them in place. The rust-proof support rods ensure long-lasting durability and easy assembly. Ideal for both kitchen and bathroom, these organizers help keep everything neat and accessible. From spice jars to skincare, maintain a clutter-free environment effortlessly. What we like? This organizer offers a stackable design, allowing you to maximize vertical space. Its pull-out drawers make accessing items easy, and the clear acrylic lets you see everything at a glance. If you have a lot of small items like toiletries or spices and need a flexible storage solution that can grow with your needs, this is a great choice. What people say. The cabinet is a perfect size for small bathrooms, offering ample storage without taking up too much space. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts were included, making it easy to put together. The adjustable shelves inside the cabinet allow for customization to fit various items, from toiletries to cleaning supplies. Number 4. SPACELEAD Slim 4-tier rolling storage cart. Tired of wasted space? This slim cart is designed to fit into those tight gaps, maximizing your vertical storage with its intelligent tiered design. It adapts to fit items of all sizes, making the most of every inch. Need to move things around? With its smooth rolling casters, this unit glides effortlessly. Prefer stability? Simply remove the casters to create a sturdy, fixed shelving unit that suits your needs perfectly. Keep everything in its place with customizable dividers and convenient side hooks. Its scientifically designed tier heights ensure even tall bottles and small jars fit perfectly, eliminating wasted space. Set it up in minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy transport but built to last, with shelves that can hold substantial weight. The unique mesh bottom prevents moisture buildup. Solve storage challenges throughout your home. Use it in the bathroom for toiletries, in the kitchen for spices, or in the laundry room for supplies. It's the perfect solution for small spaces and tight corners. What we like? This cart is a gap storage expert, designed to fit into the narrowest of spaces. Its unique dual-mode conversion lets you switch between a mobile cart and fixed shelving. If you're looking to utilize those awkward gaps in your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room and need a versatile solution that can be moved or set in place, this is the one for you. What people say. This cabinet is perfect for small bathrooms, providing ample storage without taking up too much space. The adjustable shelves are a great feature, allowing you to customize the storage to fit your needs. Assembly was straightforward and the cabinet feels sturdy and well-made. Number 3. VASAGLE 35-inch white storage cabinet UBBC 42WT. Don't let your corner space go to waste. This slim freestanding cabinet maximizes storage and keeps your essentials within reach. Crafted from sturdy engineered wood with a classic white finish, this cabinet is built to last. Its striking design complements any room, from your living room to your bathroom. You decide how to organize. It features a convenient open shelf for frequently used items and 2 spacious drawers to conceal clutter. Assembly is a breeze with numbered parts and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have this corner unit set up in no time. Get a freestanding storage cabinet that blends country and modern aesthetics. It offers both flair and function with an open shelf and 2 drawers for a tidy space. What we like. This cabinet is designed to make the most of your home's corner space. It offers both hidden storage with 2 drawers and accessible display with an open shelf. If you have limited floor space and want to add stylish, functional storage to a corner in your living room or bathroom, this cabinet is an excellent option. What people say. The cabinet is very sturdy and well made, with a smooth finish that is easy to clean. It has a good amount of storage space for its size, with adjustable shelves to customize the layout. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with most bathroom decor. Number 2. Yaheetech Small Bathroom Storage Cabinet. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant MDF, this cabinet is built to withstand daily humidity. It offers robust support for your items, holding up to 55 pounds on the tabletop and 16 pounds on the shelf. Perfect for compact bathrooms, this organizer features 2 drawers, an open shelf, and a top surface. It keeps your toiletries and essentials neatly organized, making the most of your limited floor space. This cabinet isn't just for bathrooms. Its simple, compact design fits perfectly in hallways, entryways, or laundry areas. It brings a touch of order and charm to any corner of your home. Living in a tight space? This cabinet easily slips into narrow spots, perfect for studio apartments or compact laundry areas. It keeps your essentials organized and helps your home feel more spacious. Enjoy a smoother routine with drawers that open easily using cutout handles. The elevated bottom keeps it dry and sturdy, proving that smart design can be both stylish and durable. What we like. This cabinet is built to last, even in humid bathroom environments, thanks to its water-resistant finish. Its slim profile is perfect for tight spots, and the convenient cutout handles make it easy to use. If you need a durable and compact organizer that fits neatly beside a pedestal sink or toilet and keeps your essentials hidden and tidy, consider this option. What people say. The cabinet is surprisingly spacious, fitting all my toiletries and then some. Assembly was a breeze, took me less than 30 minutes with clear instructions. The sleek, minimalist design blends perfectly with my modern bathroom decor. Number 1. VASAGLE Small Storage Corner Floor Cabinet UBBC 310W01. This slim storage cabinet is designed to fit perfectly into tight spots. Its sleek design and white finish will enhance the look of any room. Keep everything organized with its versatile storage. The top is great for decor, the middle for essentials, and the bottom cabinet hides away spare items. Customize your storage with ease. The adjustable shelves inside the cabinet can be moved up or down to fit items of all shapes and sizes. Built with quality materials, this cabinet is both sturdy and stable. It also includes an anti-tip kit for added safety, making it a reliable choice. Setting up this organizer is a breeze. With clear instructions and labeled parts, you'll have it ready to use in no time. What we like. This cabinet is perfect for those extremely narrow spaces, boasting a very slim footprint. It features adjustable shelves behind a door, allowing you to customize storage for items like spare toilet paper or toiletries. If you have a tiny bathroom or a tight spot next to your toilet and need discreet, adjustable storage, this is an ideal solution. What people say. This cabinet is perfect for small bathrooms, providing ample storage without taking up too much space. The design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly with my bathroom decor. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts were included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.